guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. Just taking a break here, sitting in the parking lot of Dunkin' Donuts, my favorite place. Just getting a break from the home and everything. Just wanted to come on really quickly to show you some of the perennials that I finally got around to planting. And is anybody else late in getting their perennials in? I found a whole bunch of things, but let me stop talking about it and take you out to the backyard and show you what I planted finally. And get ready for some really satisfying gardening. And just listen to the music.
Welcome back, everyone, to Life on Greenwood. Yeah, it's me out in this yard again. So this video will include me trying to finally get around to planting some perennials that I probably should have planted months ago, but here I am. You guys know about my deck and my yard situation with hubby. I mean, my yard was really out of commission for like the whole month of June, July into August. So I'm just getting around to planting these perennials. These perennials I found at Lowe's. Lowe's had a fantastic season sale recently. A lot of the things were on clearance, and I just went right back to the clearance rack and picked up a few perennials, and I'm putting them back in the rock garden finally. Will these things survive, and will they come back next year? Guys, pray for me. Pray for me. I'm just trying to put these perennials in and hope for the best. I'm just hoping for the best. Stay tuned. I'll show you the names of the perennials, because right off the top of my head, I don't know what they are, but I'll be sure to include them in the video somewhere. Again, I was just really happy to get these perennials mostly from Lowe's. I think I got a couple from Home Depot. I think I did, but they were all on sale. The Lowe's had the best prices. Lowe's had absolutely the best prices. So whatever you see that's marked on the plant here, just realize that they're really on sale, and some of them were up to 50% off. Let's just say the dollar plants, there are plants that were $1, $2, and really good buy. So I'm just happy to finally get out here and put these in the ground. How many of you are running late with planting? These really should have been in the ground like weeks ago. Look at that pretty rose. This is a little rose shrub that I picked up, and I think I got that from Lowe's. As a matter of fact, I went back and got a second one too. So what did we get? Let's see. This rock garden is really coming along. I pray that it comes back next year. I really do. I really do pray that it comes back next year. So what did we pick up? The first one is a lemon yellow coneflower. Then this is the Asiatic lily. I think the blooms were orange, if I recall. This is another the rose, the pink rose shrub. This is going to be a shrub. Then I got another Asiatic lily. I think this was orange as well. This is something called, I believe it's called the Dianthus Garden Pinks. And some lavender, super blue lavender. And finally some echinacea. I picked up 2 echinacea plants. I didn't put one in the ground. I still have to do that. I think I'm deciding whether I'm going to put it in the ground or not.
Yeah, that's a baby toad.
Hey, guy. What's he doing out here? He's trying to move. He's trying to move. Come on, buddy. Get up and go.
So here's an overview of the rock garden and how it turned out. I still have a couple of plants, as I said, that I haven't put in the ground yet. I'm debating whether I should even put them in the ground, or if I should try just to keep them in pots. Comment below if you've had any luck with putting your perennials in pots, and if they come back or not. I may try that. But I'm excited about this. So here's this fence. Hubby and I bought 2 fences just for decorations, just kind of border the rock garden to give it a little definition. And we put 2 of them up. I think we got these from Home Depot or Lowe's, like $29 for each one. We bought 2. Just to define the area in the at the back of the rock garden. And I can tell you now, they turned out nicely. My hope is to put finish putting mulch back there, and to plant the rest of my hostas back there. Hey guys, headed back out to the yard. I had some hostas that were transplanted by hubby last over the spring, and put in a place that really I wasn't aware he was going to put them there until he had already done it, and it really turned out to be a pretty bad spot. Let me turn you around. So I took one out just yesterday. I put this fabric around it, weave fabric around them to kind of protect them, but you can see insects really got to these guys back here, especially this one. Pay no attention to this jungle. That is hubby's garden. And I use the word garden loosely. But anyway, so I'm moving these. I'm going to move them out of here and move them over to my my little rock garden. So I already moved one yesterday, and I just dug this hole a few minutes ago. So I'm going to be popping it into this hole with some fertilizer and stuff. Here's the one I moved yesterday. So let me get started. Yeah, moving these hostas, this might be the last of my planting. I don't know, I say that now, but I really got such a late start with planting any perennials in the yard. So I'm just happy to move these hostas and get them out of here. And this area that's over behind the big rose bush, trying to decide what to do with that. It's between hubby's quote unquote garden and his shed. So there's a space there. I moved my garbage cans back there, trying to decide what to do with that area. I definitely don't want these hostas there. So I'm moving them and putting them in the rock garden. Hopefully they will survive. It's pretty hard to kill a hosta, right? So hopefully they will survive. Guys, please pray for this rock garden, and I hope that it is successful and that it is all that it should be. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for coming back to Life on Greenwood, and please, please pray for my garden.
2 down and 2 to go. So I have 2 more hostas left. I don't know when I'm gonna get to those because your girl is tired. So thanks for sticking with me. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I need to get out of here. People are looking at me like we're crazy. But anyway, I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.